Good morning, guys. Time check. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. We are here at Santo Domingo, Albay. So this is the home of Miss Moriel Bologna Salvacion. She is our president of the DNCHS Alumni Association for the school year 2024 to 2026, 2 years term. So nagkaroon kami dito ng meeting with the other officers and batch coordinators to tackle our activities, especially the raffle this coming May 16, 2025. So she invite us here to conduct our meeting. So guys, ang ganda ko guys ang landscaping ni Moriel, at saka ganda ng Bermuda grass. Tingnan nyo guys. Meron pa siya dito shed. Di ba, kung mainit dito ka lang. 360 degrees view. Di ba guys? So napakaganda ng araw na ito for inviting us here. This is my first time to reach her place. Ganda guys. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang service dito. Galing yan ni si Moriel mag-drive. O yung kanyang SUV. Meron pa siyang isang malaking sasakyan over there. Galing kasi niya mag-drive. Ako naman hindi marunong mag-drive. Oh guys. Oh, enjoy. Para kung na rin kayong kasama dito. Guys, diba? The labor is worthy of his reward. Pag nagsikap ka, pag retire mo, ganito ka na. Guys, okay. Trabaho lang ng trabaho, because nga biblical yan. The labor is worthy of his or her reward. Bye!